Hello, good afternoon, seventh grade. Today's video is just going to be a short one. I'm just going to review really quick what we talked about in class and give you a few pointers if you missed out on today's lesson. So we are continuing our work on finding our facts for a research project. Remember, we just need to find 6 facts and they're coming from 2 sources. So as you're completing this chart, I'm just going to show you a few pointers. I've spent my afternoon reviewing the work of some of your classmates, of those that have already turned this in, and probably the one thing that I've had to point out to them comes from this row, and that is that I probably did not make it very clear that you can and should change the names of these topics so they fit with your project. You do not need to stay with focus, safety, and saving money. Um, for example, if you are researching gun control, saving money maybe just doesn't seem to fit with your research. Or if you're researching the death penalty, maybe the topic of focus just doesn't really seem to make sense. So I encourage you to change the names of those topics so that they fit with your project. I happen to use these 3 because they fit with my idea of showing that I like the idea of school uniforms. Overall, like I said, the charts have been looking really good. Your classmates are finding their 6 facts and they're citing things correctly. Just need to make sure that those topics fit with their projects. And again, today's video is going to be a short one, but if you need further explanation, like I'm not sure how to fill out this chart, where do we even find our information, I encourage you to look back to Tuesday's video, which was posted on December 15th. It's an 11-minute video, so a bit longer, but I took the time to just go step by step and show you just how to do this whole chart and where exactly to find that research. So I encourage you to look back at that one. But if you need further help, please don't hesitate to reach out. We can do that through email. I just had another student request a phone call, and in about 30 seconds, we got his question answered. Yesterday, I did a Google Meet for one of your classmates, and just very quickly, we got her issues resolved with points of view through a Google Meet. She presented her screen to me, and we knew just how to fix it. So um, again, don't hesitate to ask for help. I'd be more than happy to help you with this project or with anything for that matter. So I hope you are having a great day and continue your work on finding your facts. This project should be finished up tomorrow morning by 8 o'clock because during tomorrow's class, I'm going to teach you how to do a thesis statement. And if you have your facts and your topics established, creating that thesis statement is going to be a piece of cake. So again, I hope you have a great day. Continue to stay safe, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.